Random kid you found on eBay Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral add yours trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram account, of course, and then from there you have to click to the search bar from the bottom of your page and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from this page, you have to go to April 2022 at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. But if you go to April 2022 at highlights, then you will definitely find it there. So click on April, then tap until you find the desired sticker. There we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a picture with a friend, of course, as a joke. So go to your upload. I will go with this photo right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want and then share your story with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali John YTT. And then from this page, this time you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to click on this link if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.